Hey guys, shop update for 2019. I'm getting over a cold, but I wanted to at least let you guys know what's going on for 2019. Hey guys, I wanted to make a shop update / 2019 or going into 2019 video here. Wanted to let you guys know, project high elevation is finished up. Besides it needs its drive line, it's double cardan. It needs a agricultural style double cardan at the transfer case side, and then when that comes back from Tom Woods, that can go on and project high elevation will be finished up. And then moving on here, 2019 for us, we have a lot of cool stuff to do to project Sacrilege. We only have 5 wires to wire together to get the transmission to work, which I did not know. I thought there'd be like 40 of them. Turns out it's going to be pretty easy. So we're going to get that wired up and then move forward on Project Sacrilege and get its power steering cooler hooked up and actually get it running and driving. It really doesn't need much. And then we're going to be working on the 5th generation 4Runner. We need to order up some steel plate and some dome for some DOM for the steering and for radius arms. So we'll be able to move forward on that project. We'll be able to get those radius arms made and move forward with the 5th generation 4Runner, which a lot of people have been really excited and waiting for a while. So thanks everyone that's been patient and that's been waiting for us to work on that again. We've been wanting to very badly, but you know how it goes. Customer projects take priority over personal projects, so that's why we haven't worked on that. But moving forward, we're pretty excited to go ahead and start working on that truck again. And then we got the 350Z, so that'll be pretty cool. We've got a Bride Ergo, I think is how you say it, E-R-G-O, leather seat installed to do. It's authentic Bride racing seat. We'll get that done. And then we've got a Grip Royal steering wheel installed to do with an authentic Works bell, quick release hub adapter, which is pretty cool, super JDM. And then moving forward, we'll see what trucks come in. We got a couple Dodges talking to us. We got a couple Duramaxes. We got a 2010 Duramax out of Oregon talking to us, so that would be pretty cool to put a Cougar House Fab 4-link kit on that truck now that we have it fully prototyped, so we can make that in a fourth of the time it did to take us to prototype it. So, which always takes time, and we had to finish up at the end of it a couple little bugs to work out. We had to bleed the power steering system on it a little more, and the ABS, which there's always a little bit of air trapped in the ABS module. Eliminating the ABS system off the truck because you go straight axle, there's always some trap there. So you usually have to just go juice braking system on it, traditional braking system without the ABS pump, and then that'll function a lot better. So it's kind of got its last little things done on it. And then when its driveline shows up, it gets to get buttoned up. So yeah, we're looking pretty good here. We're pretty excited to be able to start working on the 5th generation 4Runner again and get Project Sacrilege going. I mean, we've been working on that project for a long time. I want to get that truck up and going. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I just wanted to give you guys kind of an update. I don't want to drag it out too much longer, but we're going to be moving on to some cool stuff in 2019 here. And we're really excited to be doing it. So please like and subscribe, hit the bell up there so that way you guys get notifications when I upload, and look forward to some cool stuff in 2019 here. And if you guys like Cougar House Garage, you like what we do, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook / Cougar House Garage, and we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram. Guys, follow along there with the daily story and all the crazy projects. And I gotta say one more time, thank you guys so much for all of your support and constant comments and likes and stuff. It really helps motivate me to keep making these videos, so we really appreciate it. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace.